Hi, hello, my friends, relatives, investors, stakeholders, etc., people. I hope you all are doing good, right? So, I just want to start about a small introduction on what is value investing and growth investing and how can you get benefit on all these things. There is some concept called mutual funds. There is some concept called stock investments, right? Hope you all are aware, right? But in recent days, so wherever we are doing all this kind of things, it is becoming risk day by day, right? So what is the basic thing you have to look out on all these things is a minimum percentage of 20 to 30 percentage or 30 to 40 percentage on an peculiar time frame like 1 to 2 years or 3 to 5 years like that. So any portfolio which is returning you more than 30 to 50%, so you should be in a position to close your capital as early as possible. So anything, some stocks might return back from that position, and some stocks will be going out of that level as well, and it will go triple, 4 times, 5 times, 7 times, etc. I have made such kind of investments in my portfolio for more than 10 years. If you are surprised, right, you can go ahead and have a look on the video which I am uh, showing it in the description, so which is already shared with you my portfolio of how to become zero to hero, like with a minimum investment of a very small amount, how the portfolio compounding happened and what are the stocks that has been holded. That is my last video, and that is there in YouTube as well. So in this video also I will share you the link of that. Okay, coming upon this current video, what is this video for and what are the things it's going. Okay, this is a similar kind of setup where investments are going to work out accordingly. Okay, so this is in the current video I am sharing you something called my portfolio, which is started newly on 2023. So this is kind of a new portfolio setup which I am rotating my capital on an 3 months once basis kind of activity, where this is planned only for kind of investors who are passionate about making money on a long term period, right? So my investment is kind of a compounding where I need to get a return of around close to 20 to 30% on an yearly basis. That is my target which has been given. And for this, what kind of adjustments I am doing and what kind of things I am doing and how I am picking my stocks. So all these things will be happening in a face by face manner. So I will let you know about that in detail. Before that, I want to show you some portfolios which I created since February 2023, and all this been shared in my Telegram channel as well. So what is the current returns? You can have a look on this. So portfolio, leverage portfolio is something where we have around close to 70% returns with this amount, and there is some stocks involved in there. Diversified portfolio, again, it is inception on the same date, and right now it is with 47.5% returns. And election consume theme, which is there, started on July 2023, 1 year exactly before the elections. That is having around close to 68.63%. And 12th September, that is for the September month, we have started one thing as an investment, that is was 78% returns as of now. On October month, we had created one more portfolio, and that has given to 53% as of now. And right now, February 2024, we have picked one, and that is having around close to 2% returns in negative. And April month, we have one portfolio created for this year that is returned as of now 22%. So right now, we have created one more for August that is created today. So going forward on all our creation, on the creation day, we will try to share it with all your people, kind of a uh, portfolio where you can resemble the same. So how the portfolio will resemble, I will share you the same right now. So this is the portfolio, like it is having around close to 13 stocks as of now. So you can go for a lump sum investment, or you can do kind of a SIP for 3 to 6 months. So ideally, this is designed for making 30 to 50%. So kindly don't sit tight when your returns is close to 30%, try to book it. So this is the message we have as of now. All this is priced with a minimum amount when compared to small case. Small case is something you will be having for more than for a minimum of around 2000 rupees, something like that, and it is going to be a monthly recurring amount, right? Similar kind of setup we have also created, and uh, we are publishing only through other tools. As when considered in publishing that, we have some other terms, so that we cannot able to make it that much big as of now. So this is kind of a portfolio build up from our end. So how all these stocks are identified, I want to give a detailed brief about that. Is all the these are the complete list of stocks which are right now available cheap. Valuations is the matter. So let me put it in a very simple example. Tomato is consuming 100 rupees on a day, right? In case of demand. So will you consume tomato on that day, or we will wait for some more time and add it when the tomato is coming at 20 rupees, 30 rupees, and as per the need, you will go in much consumption. Likewise, all our stocks which we are adding, right? So on all the list, wherever we added, right? Wherever we added in all this sector, we have so many stocks that are in the list which are completely taken in case of cheap valuations. So don't worry about the valuations. So we have taken only the cheap valuation. So right now market is at top, but still we have so many stocks in cheap. So that's how this particular portfolio for August is also built. Okay. So if you have already picked my stocks in February 2024 and you are holding, okay. So don't worry about anything. Keep holding the stock. It will again come back and it will give you return as well. So going forward on August 2024, we have identified 13 stocks. So why the price is slightly higher, and on this 13 stocks, we have splitted how many stocks to be taken and how many member count. Okay. So we have identified two stocks which is right now below 50 rupees, and that is going to return you 100% in a maximum of 12 to 18 months for sure. And again, 13 stocks, if you're an investor, you have to invest on all these 13 stocks in the ratio which we have given. Kindly don't purchase this and invest only in one or two stocks and get it stuck. Okay. So at a stage going forward, try to minimize the investments and minimize the risk. Sorry, maximize the investment and minimize the risk by making your portfolio understanding on how things are happening. Okay. So kindly try to follow the same. So the link for this is shared in the description. So try to avail it and try to share it with your needed people who are in need to identify this kind of stocks. Okay. Thank you. Catch you all in yet another video. Bye for now.